So if you've been married for a short period of time and now you are interested in applying for a marriage case and you're afraid that you haven't been married for a long period of time and that you're about to file your case and you don't have a lot of evidence together because you just got married and you didn't really live together before you got married, you didn't share expenses, you didn't cohabitate, you don't have bills together, but you have pictures and you have trips if you took them, and you have other things, but you don't have a lot of those things that are required for when you're proving a marriage case. And so this is something that we frequently get asked, and the answer is that it doesn't really matter. Each marriage is different, each relationship is different. So yes, we have to fulfill a certain checklist, but we also have an opportunity to explain. So if you are like in a little bit of a non-traditional marriage, you got married after after knowing each other for a few months, or you are in a long distance marriage, like you work in different states, or one spouse is on the road a lot, based on their job. So all of this can be explained. So just because you are filing an application doesn't mean you're just submitting your forms. You can also provide evidence. You can show supporting documentation through affidavits, and in that affidavit you can explain your relationship. You can explain how you go through those things that might be inconsistencies. You can explain that through affidavits. And there's no rule as to you have to know each other for this period of time to get married. Sometimes people meet and fall in love in a few months. Sometimes it takes a while. Some people want to wait. So it's an individual thing. And what I usually do is I help my clients. We get to know them really well, and to determine like what the best pathway is for them and how we best explain their individual case, because it is an individualized thing.